Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Meghalaya Basketball Association kelasdang ya kalempong yale kai basketball balatip kom kasenia National Northeast Zonal Championship arajar arpaway haga khanru tarik unopra Hasin Anthony's Higher Secondary School. Ya kane kalempong lawan ban Plie daw Myntri Rangbah kajala ukon rat sangma harangkat kajiadan lang u Vice President ka Basketball Federation of India Ugatam Ganguly. Kumjo ka Vice President jang ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association kong Matsiudor Warnongbri u General Secretary ka MBA u Ba Donald wa lang batkiwe. Haga ne kalempong lawan banesyamanta da Henry Utaliki kenhun haga liang kishenrang kibakan thop ya ka Meghalaya, Nagaland, Assam, Manipur, Mizoram bat ka Tripura. Katbaha ka liang kikenthai kidan tanglai tali kata ka Meghalaya, Assam bat Mizoram. Ya kane kalempong on penkut haka khat khandai tarik mentau benai.
States who are here today to mark the opening program of the Northeast Zonal Basketball Championship. I, at the very outset, would like to thank the Secretary and the entire association for having invited me to this opening ceremony. I actually had a very busy schedule. And just in the morning, I have visited one interior location in the state and in West Eastern Jayantia Hills, and I'm coming back from there just now. And I tried to squeeze in this program after I was told that it's for the entire Northeast Championship. And I want to be very frank with you. That normally a chief minister would not attend a program of this sort. I'm being very frank because of so many other programs and so many other commitments that we have and so many other very critical issues that we need to address. But I strongly felt that it is very important for me to attend this program because I have always believed that we must encourage our youth. I have always believed that even a small visit like this of mine on a day like this, when we're having the Northeast Championship and Zonal Championship, would encourage the players out here, would encourage the associations out here, and I would like to play whatever small role I could in order to do that. And the reason behind that is I have always been a very strong believer in the power of the youth. And I still believe that we need to ensure that our youth need to be guided, our youth need to be kept busy, our youth need to be engaged. And I was just recently laying the foundation stone for a very big, almost 170 crore project in JN Complex in Shillong. And I was telling the gathering out there that how important sports is in a youth's life. And as our principal has mentioned to all of you, I always tell our youth that yes, it may be a game for you, and some of you might be doing to enjoy it, and some of you may really like it, but a lot of people don't realize that this game or any game is an integral part of character building of any youth. And that is why sports is important. It, apart from the physical exercise and the physical work that you do, it's very important, as mentioned by Father, it develops something called discipline, which is so important in your life, even outside sports. It develops another character in you, which is hard work, because you cannot compromise on hard work. Whatever you do in life, whether it's basketball or whatever you will do when you finally, in life, when you grow up and you are in the job, and whether you're an entrepreneur, whether you're a businessman, whether you're a politician, or whatever you do in life, or a sports person, there is no compromise to hard work. Everybody has to work hard. And that's so important, and sports teaches you that there is no exception to hard work. And third and most important thing, which I tell people everywhere I go, is sports teaches you to accept defeat in life, to accept that you will not always win. Out of these teams out here, I'm sure there will only be one winner. So therefore, accepting that you can lose, and you will lose sometimes, is an important part of being a sports person. And more importantly, learning from your loss and your mistakes is even more important in life. I tell this from my personal experience because I've been in politics for like 20 years now. And I'll tell you, the two most important defining moments for me in politics was when I lost my elections. I have contested 5 times and I have lost twice. And both the times I lost, I was devastated. I was in tears. But after a week, I started picking up the pieces and I started working on my mistakes. I started changing the way I was as a person, and that helped me to win the next election. And then I lost the third election again, only to make myself stronger and to become better at what I was doing. And I'm still learning. So therefore, please remember that sports is beyond the game. The sports is about you as a person, and it develops your personality, which is going to be there with you for your life. In every walk of life, whether it's in family or whether it's in a profession, it's something that will always take you through in the most difficult times that you have in your life. So I want to thank the Basketball Association for having the basketball BFI and also the Northeast Zonal team that has organized this very, very important tournament. And as I said, I'm always happy to engage with the youth. I'm always happy to encourage the youth and always push all the youth in order to ensure that you are doing productive things in life and you're channelizing your energy for the right cause. In today's world, there is a lot of distraction for the youth. So therefore, sports is one integral part which will ensure that you use your energy, you use your time, and you use this entire opportunity in the best possible manner. And that's the reason I'm here to encourage you. I'm here to thank the association for organizing this. Whatever support that I can give to the tournament, I'll be happy to give, and so I'll speak to Mr. Donald for whatever support that's required from my side as a state government, and also would like to thank Mr. Ganguly for coming all the way and being part of this tournament. I wish each of the team members the very best. Though my jersey said number 10 Meghalaya, but I'm here to actually support all of you, not just me.